Vlogineers, today we're going to unbox Thunder Road Vendetta. This is the Maximum Chrome Edition. It's by Restoration Games. It's the same exact company that makes my favorite game, Unmatched. This is for ages 10 and up for 2 to 5 players. And it takes 30 to 75 minutes to play. On the back it says the ultimate box for ultimate race, Thunder Road Vendetta. This is the base game. There are quite a lot of expansions that we also bought with this, like the Big Rig and the Finale 5, the extra ammo, the Carnage at Devil's Run, Chop Shop, exclusive crew leader, and exclusive expansion. So there are 6 different expansions that we bought with this, which is quite a lot. But the main board game, the base game, comes with 10 double-sided road boards, 12 minis, 6 chopper minis, 4 wreck minis, 1 big rig mini in 3 parts, 5 motorcycle minis, 25 movement dice, 5 FX dice, 1 fire die, 72 German engineering cards, 21 ongoing effect cards, 27 car upgraded cards, 54 extra ammo cards, 6 sets of dashboards and command boards for cards, big rig, and motorcycles, 11 crew leader command boards, 30 damage tokens, 48 hazard tokens, 1 finish line tile, 50 plus other tokens, 1 consolidated rulebook. That was a lot. We also got this metal coin for backing this game on Kickstarter. We'll show you a bit more of this in the unboxing. Now let's open it. Okay, so here's the rule book. It looks very well designed. I don't know if it has rules. I don't know if it has rules about the expansions, but I'll see when I play the game. Over here are some storage containers and also some of the minis. So let's open this. So I think these slots are for the cards and also for the expansions right here. Also, these minis are also painted. Here's a green machine gun helicopter. These are all painted. And then there's also red, white, orange, blue, and yellow. And then here are some of the cards. So it looks like this already looks super cool. I don't know what card that is. But here's another one. Oh yeah, and also here's the top. The top is also super cool. This car. So every single color has all these things. The machine gun helicopter, and then the machine gun helicopter, and then these 3 cars. There's also, but yellow doesn't have that. The yellow actually has motorcycles. I don't know if yellow is actually expansion since it has motorcycles. And it has all motorcycles, but it does still have the machine gun helicopter thingy. So I don't know. Also, red is different. Here is the red car. There's also more red cars. Yeah, the red actually might not be cars. I think this is train or tanks. These might be tanks that connect. So they have these connectors. And here's the last one. This one's the front. Oh, it's a truck. Like tank that connects. And then there are these black cars. I don't know if this is a team, but there are these black cars. Here's another tray for expansions, I'm guessing, and cards. And then here's the bottom one. there's still more stuff under. So here are the dice for the blue, green, red, orange, and white. I think these are the regular colors. So yeah, yellow, red are expansions. Here are for the expansions. These are also the dice, red and yellow. And then there's this yellow looking die with red colors on it. More dice. These look like shooting. These look like moving, shooting, and damage dices. Some cards. Let's open this up. Let's open these cards. Well, my dad is opening that. Here are some of these are, I think, for the blue, green, orange, and white or gray colors. These are like moving cards. Yeah, these are moving cards. So you can see 1 space, 3 spaces, 5 spaces, 6 spaces, all those different kinds. And then here are, this is one of the expansions. This is the Chop Shop upgrade cards for the Chop Shop expansion. The rear guard, stealth technology. So I think these help you or damage you in some kind of way. So actually these things down here, these are also expansion. This is the German engineering expansion. And then this is the Chop Shop expansion. I'm losing track. And this one is the more extra ammo expansion. Some for yellow, some for gray. I don't know if these are for the different colors, but I think these will help you throughout your mission. And then the backs are also very cool. So I think each one of these groups help you with different things. And then, so this is part of Carnage at Devil's Run's expansion with all these different bad things. So that'll be interesting. I think that goes in here. Lift this up. This has cards over here. And here is another expansion. There are punch outs for. These are the punch outs for the Chop and Shop expansion. Some of the different characters, like Ambergo. And then we have Wang Lei Hong and Vince Vamp. There's Croft and Chris Crass. Machine Gun Joe, Esso, and Madame Boudreaux. So these will all have different powers. Abigail and Asha, and then Miss Betty and Bumbo the Clown. I wonder what Bumbo the Clown is. So over here's the metal coin that you get from backing up this game at Kickstarter. It's a Thunder Road coin, metal coin, and then a steering wheel. It has a cool design in the front, so it has dice and this lightning coming through, and then the whole wheel. This also might be the first player token. So this is the punch outs for the Ultimate Box for Ultimate Race expansions. The baseboards might also be in here too. Oh, so these have different chapters, I think. So start for chapter 10B, the Boneyard. I think this is the race course for that. And on the back, it also has, here's 10A. So I think the Boneyard might be something map. But the Glass Oasis, here's the Glass Oasis map. So I like how they're double-sided so they're not wasting paper. Well, not paper, wood. Here's the Ring of Fire. This Chapter 9 Part B. Chapter 9 Part A is the Scorcher. So I like how there's many different maps. Not just one on each. So there will be a lot of different maps to play with. This was the Serpent's Tongue. And for Chapter 8A, the Zag. The art on all of these are really cool. I think these might all have different effects, these spaces. Here's Warzone, Chapter 7B. Yeah. Looks chaotic. And then the Salty Dougal. Is that Doogleg? Dog, same thing, dog leg. The Salty Dog Leg. That sounds weird. It should be Doogleg though. It sounds better. It sounds more wacky. Chapter 6B, the Rumble Strip. And then the Drifts. There's a lot of ramps on this one. Chapter 5B, the Choke. And Route 66. Sticks. Well, Route 66. Here's the scientific route. Wait, not the scientific. This is the scenic route. Looks like a jungle on the top. And then also the Baron. Okay, the Bunker. The Unrest. Oh, sorry, I was reading. The Mud Hole. Chapter 2B, the Unrest Stop. And on the back is the Snake Way. From the picture, it looks very snaky. And then the Chapter 1B, the Railway to Ruin. And then last one, the Parking Lot. And then over here, some of the punch outs. So some of those maps that you just saw were from the normal game, and some of them are from the expansion. Over here are some tokens for the maps, and they have different powers. Some mud and some oil. This for the normal game. This is for each car. Same thing for the next page for orange and gray. And on the back, there are these tiles everywhere. There are 3 of these tiles for each color. And then here are some more tokens, some ramps, and then fireballs, broken stuff, fire, sandworms, and then some more effects. There's a lot of fire. And then on the back right here is for the expansion for yellow and red. The yellow red cars come from the Big Rig and the Final 5 expansion. And on the back right here, same thing for the colors. And that's it for the unboxing. If this looks fun to you, you can purchase it in the link in the description. Bye!